Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, a tri-color pallu it is. Black, green as well as blue we can see in the vertical portion of the pallu with zari lines. And very contrastly, black is given for the blouse piece with antique zari concept. Complete saree is having black border with the same antique zari weaving concept. Very elegant one. The saree here is in a mild yellow shade green, very elegant light color it is, and we also have the printing completely done using deep green color. It's a bluish green which gives a beautiful look to the saree, a floral pattern as well as a beautiful temple border in it. Excellent collection with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari border, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree in base of choco brown shade, burgundy brown shade with same color pallu, and we have block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu with zari borders, and same color plain blouse piece with both sides printed border design, and temple border is printed. The whole saree have the same temple border design all over with zari borders as well, and the body have vertical zigzag lines pattern printed using lighter charcoal brown color as well as a white color base, which is giving a beautiful look. The very famous Jaipuri prints design is done on a perfect Tassa saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful shade of green and blue, a turquoise in a brighter shade, almost a sea blue and green mixed color. Same color pallu and blouse piece here, beautiful pallu with zari lines as well as a block printed vertical portion. Same way the blouse piece also have one side block printed border along with the zari borders, and here the body is a fully floral printed one, closely printed small floral design, very elegant with a border design as well printed. Excellent one. The color of the saree is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with same color pallu. Pallu have beautiful printing as well vertically. Mango design is printed with black and white color bases, and we also have the golden zari vertical lines portion. And same red is given for the pallu blouse piece also with both sides printed design. Very elegant red it is. It's a kind of mild maroon shade red it is. Beautiful shade with all over printing design, closely printed beautiful one with the borders also having a beautiful half white color prints. Simple and elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A beautiful boiled acid washed Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant light sea green color, a turquoise green with mild blue tinge, a very elegant color here. Same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block printed floral pattern done using half white color. Same color blouse piece with one side the floral pattern printed in the blouse piece as well. And the saree here is also the same shade with beautiful two different colors used for printing in a square shade floral buttas. Those are in blue as well as white. And we also have the florals done in the both side borders. Elegant saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple saree, the complete saree as well as the pallu is purple color here with just a beautiful pinkish color shade on it. The block prints is done. Beautiful zari lines as well as usual. We have the zari lines and we have the blouse piece also in purple, plain purple with one side the border design. The borders are done, as I said, it is in a maroon and pink mixed shade. The complete saree is also in purple shade with the beautiful borders, the mango shade, and body have the leaf design very elegantly printed using half white. A beautiful and elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue saree, a light sky blue color, very elegant one with same color pallu. Pallu have vertical block prints as well as zari lines, and we have the running color blouse piece as well. Plain blouse piece with zari borders both sides, and the saree here is very beautifully simple work is done, small prints all over the design, and we have a border design as well. Complete printing is done using half white here. with beautiful blue base on the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari border, then on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree, a very elegant bright and dark shade pink, very elegantly given. Same color pallu with block prints vertically as well as vertical zari lines in golden zari. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with borders both sides. And the saree here is a running concept, same color with all over printing design, closely printed beautiful floral design using half white, and we also have a border design in the top and a beautiful, very different, almost the peacock and fish pattern printed in the lower borders. Half white is used for printing completely. The borders alone have blue prints. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown saree, a beautiful shade of deep brown color, very elegant pallu, same color pallu, body color with a block printed design as well as a zari lines pattern vertically done, and same brown blouse piece with one side the printed design. It's almost like a temple, but it is a very different one. Using half white, the same border design is completely done all over the three borders of the saree, and we have a prints done closely here in the body, which is done in blue and half white. A traditional beautiful design, closely printed design too, simple yet very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue saree, light beautiful blue shade with same color pallu, and we have block printed design all over the pallu vertically done with the zari lines, and we have same blue color blouse piece with one side the printed design done in the blouse piece also. The saree here is in a very unique beautiful designing. You can see the border design is printed, a very beautiful mango and a very elegant Kodi design pattern. And here we have a geometric pattern printed all over the saree using half white. Beautiful and exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a mild pastel yellow like mustard mixed color, almost in a half white with a mild shade of mustard, and you can see the beautiful pallu with tree and brown shade used for the block prints along with the jari lines, and we have same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in almost light gold shade. It is a very pastel gold color, and we have the square shape block print used here, and the block print is a traditional tribal pattern, very elegantly printed all over the saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink shade saree, a sweet pink with same color pallu, and we have a big and thick design done in the block printing as well as in the zari lines in the pallu vertically, and same color blouse piece, a very elegant blouse piece with one side block printed temple design border. The saree here is a closely printed design with beautiful blue as well as half white used for printing. A very different design it is, and it is closely printed, and the temple design adds the beauty to the borders. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bright and dark shade pink color, same color blouse piece and pallu. The pallu here is having zari lines as well as the village pattern printed all over using half white color. Beautiful small prints, and the same print is having in the blouse piece also one side, plain blouse piece with just the one side printing design. The complete saree is having a beautiful golden zari border, and you can see a beautiful Kodi design printed in the body of the saree, along with the borders having the village pattern printed. A very elegant and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful mustard saree, almost a goldish mustard. It is very elegant color with same color pallu, and we have block printed design using black and mustard colors here in the pallu with pallu zari lines, vertical zari lines. Same color blouse piece with both sides printed design in the blouse piece. And here we have a beautiful floral printed all over the saree, which is very elegant, using black and half white color. And the borders of the saree is done using the mild border design printed. Very elegant and very different, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange with a mild peach shade, a peach almost with beautiful shade color. It is very bright too, with Pochumballi peacock design printed in the pallu and zari lights. Same color blouse piece with one side printed border. Very different collection, a new launch. And we have a light, very light pastel shade, pista green. Like the saree is almost half white with mild green tinge, and complete printing is done using green here, floral design. And we also have a border design running throughout the borders of the saree, and the complete zari borders on the base, same body color. Excellent printing design, a very new concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue shade, very deep royal blue it is, with zari lines in the pallu, zari borders as well. And we have a very contrast pink blouse piece and blue borders one side. The saree is a very elegant, ultimate contrast combination, and a classy base color saree, cream color, with the blue and green, pink used for the butta design. That is the block print. You can see the leaves in royal blue and the pink used for the stem portion. Very elegant one with zari borders in the pallu blaze itself. Excellent and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a Ananda blue saree. The complete saree is in beautiful blue shade. The pallu also, and we have the block printed design in the pallu along with the zari lines. And we have same color plain blouse piece. A beautiful blouse piece with one side we have the beautiful borders as well, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is in completely printed pattern, a lotus design printed using half white, and it is very closely printed. You can see it visibly, with the border design also printed using brown and blue. Excellent concept, beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple pallu, very elegant Pochumballi peacock design printed in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same purple blouse piece with one side printed border, and that border is in the body color. A very elegant shade saree, beautiful light green shade, a turquoise light shade color, a pastel shade with the prints completely in orange, floral printing, and we also have a brown shade printed in the borders of the saree along over borders, and we also have the borders in golden zari in same body color base. Excellent printing, a beautiful design into with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines and zari border, and we have a pallu color blouse piece, fully plain with one side the body color borders. The saree here is in a very different shade, a turquoise green shade, very elegantly done on the Tassa base, and the firefly, the dragonfly concept is printed all over using black and maroon shades. We also have the pallu in the royal blue shade itself. The combination as well as the design is very exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu, a bluish grey color pallu with zari lines and zari border, and we have same grey blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in a Ananda blue shade, very light shade, very elegant shade too. The complete printing is done using dark navy blue color. Excellent prints, the village pattern as well as a floral combinedly used here with zari borders in the mild bluish grey shade. Excellent and simple saree but elegant with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful a brown shade color saree, completely with same color. The pallu also have same color with beautiful vertical block printed design, also with lines as well as zari lines one side. You can see the beautiful plain blouse piece in same color. With both sides we have a block printed border design as well as a zari border. The saree all over also have white and black prints, geometric pattern, very elegantly done along with the zari borders. The concept of the saree as well as the color of the saree is very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. The complete saree is in beautiful shade of royal blue, little premium shade, completely in same color. Blouse piece as pallu as well as the body. Pallu have beautiful block prints as well as the zari lines, and here we have the body having polka dots design. Half white is used for the polka dots printing, and owl portion, owl is given in the upper half. Beautifully the owl is printed in the upper half. Very elegant one. Two colors are used. Very different printing, and it is done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu. It's a very beautiful shade of pink, almost a sweet pink shade with block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu. And we have same color, a running color blouse piece with one side beautiful block printed design in the blouse piece, and the zari border runs in the pallu too. And here the body is also in the pink shade. Very elegant border design, almost like a column design in the rangoli. And we have beautiful prints all over done using dark maroonish brown shade. The leaf pattern, elegant one, beautiful print with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. So we have beautiful maroon shade pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same maroon blouse piece, and we have one side mild peach color borders which can be used for the sleeves. The body is very different here. Kind of half saree model. The top half is completely a mild peach and skin color mixed shade with the borders having beautiful prints in royal blue, and the lower portion is completely printed using royal blue, the Poshamballi kind designing all over the saree. Like it is a half saree model, very beautifully it's been done, an excellent and beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a mustard yellow with mild green pinch pallu, a green and yellow mix with Poshamballi peacocks design prints in the pallu. Also we have zari lines. Same green and mustard mixed color blouse piece with one side printed border, very different one. The complete saree is a very exclusive piece here, beautiful designing. The saree is in very pastel, mild green shade, olive in a very light and mild shade with the prints all over using pink color, floral prints. And we also have the borders of the saree printed using dark coffee brown color. Borders again are done on the same body color itself. Excellent combination, a beautiful designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a purple saree, complete purple with very elegant pallu. The pallu have a beautiful portion of black on it. The prints are done and it's looking really fantastic. We also have the zari lines as usual with plain blouse piece that is also in purple shade with the zari borders. The complete zari borders here are done using bright gold shade color. You can see the beautiful prints in the body, half white used for the printing. A very different and beautiful design, closely printed with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue shade pallu, elegant pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same blue blouse piece. It's almost an Ananda blue shade with very elegant pallu color, one side border. The saree here is in a beautiful printing design, almost an Ajrak type designing, printed all over using half white, blue, yellow shades as well, multiple shades in all over the saree. You can see the beautiful finish of it. A very elegant one, very different one too, with the borders in the pallu color base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade pallu, very elegant green with zari lines, and same green blouse piece with one side a light pink shade border, very elegant combination. The saree here is in pink shade, that is a mild peachy pink color, mild green peach pinch on the pink, with fully prints done in royal blue shade, dark royal blue, a pineapple design in the body and a beautiful border design as well, pretty one with the borders in the green. The excellent combination. You can see the three colors, which is very pretty and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, and on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree. Complete saree is in red, even the pallu with block prints and zari lines in the pallu, and same red running blouse piece in the saree. You can see plain blouse piece with beautiful zari border. On one side a block printed border. The complete block printing here is done using a very elegant half white shade itself, a mild small prints all over with border design also printed. Beautiful one, very simple but very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu as well as the body blouse are in same color. Brown shade here, dark brown, beautiful color with zari lines and block printed vertical designs in the pallu, and we have same color plain blouse piece with zari border, the golden beautiful zari border all over, and one side we have the blouse piece with a beautiful printed border as well. The saree here is completely printed with mild design, small as well as big buttas, closely weaved one with border design also done in the all side borders. Very elegant and beautiful one, very rare color with authentic silk mark.